demonstrating show of strength of the party. The UDP State Election Committee (SEC) on Monday approved 5 more names of party candidates for the February 27th Assembly polls. Talking to reporters after the meeting, UDP President Medba Lingdo said the 5 candidates are from Garo Hills. The 5 UDP candidates include the names of Bipul CH Sangma from Raksa Kona, Shubhankar Koch from Selsela, Julius T. Sangma from Tikrikila, Sushil Goyeri from Rak Samgre and Teseng A. Sangma from Ronggara Siju. With this, the UDP has announced a total number of 45 candidates, including 15 from Garo Hills. The UDP president said the party was satisfied with the candidates they have put up for the polls.
Balong hadu bentang na Garo gila yo sipukat sangut. Nakang zil, naka aku saw, but na siya kasi bat jentia bat duboy gila yo live poll. Total kalau 100%.